Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to turn outline nearby objects on or off in Iron Nest. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Do so from here, in the main menu, or by pressing the escape key or the menu key, then going into settings, make sure you are in the game section. Here look for the, first option you can toggle on or off, and as you can see you can toggle it on or off. This outlines nearby interactable objects. If I hit apply to save the changes and close the menu, you can see that I can interact with everything here. Don't know why this is not interactable right now. I could also put on the gas masks, as you can see. And well, that's basically about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.